How does the Field Dependencies option work in TimeTonic? This feature lets you identify every place where your column is connected. It can be a view, an automation, a formula, a linked column, and much more. Let's take a look together. This option will be especially useful for analyzing the impact of a change, understanding why a field can't be modified, and quickly navigating to the elements that use it. Accessing it is very simple. You're in one of your tables, you click the menu to open your column's settings, and you'll now find an icon to view the field dependencies. Here's the general view of the dependencies window. At level 1, you'll find the name of your workspace. Next, a counter clearly indicates and displays to you exactly how many dependencies are currently linked or associated with this particular column. And at level 2, you'll see the number of tables that are dependent on your column. You open a table, and there you'll find all the dependencies that are attached within the table. From the table view, you can navigate by clicking the icon at the end of the table's name to go directly to the relevant table, or open the tab to see all the dependencies that are attached in your table. A number appears next to each table's name. It corresponds to the number of dependencies attached in that table. Each type of dependency within a table is represented by an icon. You have dependencies related to automations, related to sorts, related to a filter, related to a view, and related to formulas. If you open the element, you can directly access a secondary level. You can open the view dependencies, and there you'll see all the views where the column is attached in the settings. If you want to go directly to the settings from the timeline view, you just need to click the gear icon and you'll go straight to the timeline view's settings window. The same applies to all dependency types. You open the automation dependency type, you'll see all the automations that are attached to the column in question, and you click the gear icon to go directly to the automations view. To help you identify it, the automation will flash and be highlighted. Conditional text columns, linked table columns. You can also find a global access to field dependencies in the table and view menu under organize columns. There's an icon here that lets you access the dependencies window for that column. This gives you global access to quickly get a view of your field dependencies. Field dependencies also secure your workspace by blocking the deletion of a column. If a field is used elsewhere and you try to delete it, TimeTonic will block the deletion of that column, giving you an alert message with a view of all the dependencies to which that column is attached. You will need to delete all the dependencies attached to this column before you can delete it. It's interesting to note that the field dependencies window recalculates each time it's opened or each time you attempt to delete a field. The information displayed therefore reflects all the types of field dependencies that you see present in your window. As you can see, the Field Dependencies option in TimeTonic is a key tool for maintaining the consistency of your configurations and preventing the accidental deletion of fields in your workspace. If you haven't already, we invite you to discover it for yourself.